Welcome back. In this short video, we'll be discussing the proposal for sharing infrastructure. You can check out this video for more context. I will leave it in the top right hand side of the screen. This is not really a basic video, this is a little more advanced, so when you watch the other video, you'll understand what I mean. So, basically, there are two types of shared infrastructure. We have MVNOs, which is wireless, and we have the wired, which is fiber. Right? Not speaking about Epic, this is mainly for digital and flow. On the MVNO side, we have mobile virtual network operators. So basically, you can go to the NTRC, um, apply to be an MVNO operator, and then you can and then talk to the providers, and they'll split spectrum for you, which will give you access to the network, whether you use their SIM cards or your SIM cards. The wired side is basically the same thing, but just that you would use their fiber access terminals, their OLTs, maybe their drop wire, maybe you will get your own drop wire, it's all virtual. You have your own core network, but you just route your network through them. I'm also trying to keep this video under 5 minutes, so this is kind of why I'm rushing. If I see I have more time, then I will come back to check this out. All right. So this is the modem I would recommend from ZTE. This is also credits to Pedro Telecom. It's a pretty basic one from ZTE. It looks just like the Huawei modem. It's just look it up, you mount it. It has the phone ports. It has the SC connector, SCM port under it. It has the four Ethernet ports. It also supports IPTV as well in case you want that for landline internet and TV. Or optional, it supports 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. Kind of confirm if it supports 6 gigahertz or not, but 2.4 and 5 gigahertz for sure. Alright, here the problem with what I'm talking about is what we call ingress. This is mainly for coax, but it can be applied to the others as well. Right? Basically, we have four carriers here on one network. Basically, like using one rib outside, one main coax line to connect the customers, right? Carrier 1, carrier 2, carrier 3, and carrier 4, right? So any one of these carriers can be main provider, and then the competitors are also using on their network. But somebody within here has an issue, and it's affecting everybody, as you can see. And I suspect it's carrier 1 has the issue. Carrier 4 could be the actual carrier, but carrier 1 is the issue, right? All the noise that's inside, it can make the upstream very hard to connect back to the DSLAM. Yeah. Yeah. Let's move on. Alright, so this is ways to allow multiple carriers. You can watch this video if you'd like. And these are the different wavelengths. So let's say carrier 1 uses the 1454 upstream and the 1494 downstream. Carrier 2 can use the 850 for upstream and the 1650 for downstream. Carrier 3 can use the 1550 for downstream and the 1310 for upstream. It really doesn't matter which one you use, different wavelengths. There's more, but what the OLT supports, what the ONT supports, what's the agreement, and all that. Moving on. So this is an idea I want to take to the regulators, the NTRC in Dominica. I am not sure what they would say about it, or if we even have any, plan in place for that. I know in the States that they do it, in Canada and Europe, different places, Japan, South Korea, China. Not sure about Australia, but yeah, I want to go to them and talk to them about it, and see what they have to say. I will sit down, discuss it. They might call me back to tell me what they discussed with the carriers, or they might call me to a meeting with the carriers to check it out. So I don't know, but yeah, this is a quick video I threw together today. I thought about it yesterday, and yeah, if you want to see like a little more in depth, I can make an in-depth video. Just let me know in the comment section down below. And yeah, this right, where is it? This right here is still a major issue. If one company is having issues, it can affect all the companies. As well as I put the SC connector there specifically because that is what the field techs use. So out in the field, no matter what type of cable you're using, as long as it has a SC connector end, it will work. Whether APC or UPC, it'll work. Right? This is really the main issue. But yeah, anyways, that's all for now. Take care at the 5 minute mark. Until next time.